To change a lock screen clock on the Samsung A37 5G, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Right now, go into the wallpaper and style, select the lock screen, and now you have to just click on your clock. And here, when you go for the style, as you can see, you can find multiple different styles. And right now, you probably notice that you don't have those styles. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you can actually get them. But take a look. If we are gonna go, for example, for this one, what we can also do, we can change its color, its font over here, and also its size and the position. And now, if you want to get this more advanced settings, like in my case, you will have to start by opening the Samsung Galaxy Store. Now you'll have to click on Apps, select the right upper corner and go for Good Lock application. Now open it, and now click and basically just open it, right? Download, open, and next we have to download this Lockstar plugin. There we go. And here, when you tap on your clock, you will get all of those styles. And when you click here on this icon, you will be redirected into the clock face. So this is the another plugin that you can find on the Good Lock application. It's available here. It will allow you to get many different clock styles on the lock screen. So that's how it looks. And we have to just wait until it will load. And here we can find just all of them. So if I want to get, for example, this cool looking clock with this font, like this one, for example, I have to just click on this to apply. Now I'll make transition into my home screen, and now I can just simply customize it like I want. And now I have to click done. Thank you so much for watching.